Hey there, I hope you're doing good. I have me 11 by 14 black canvas laid out here on my butcher paper. Got some black paint I'm going to spread around, give it a light coat. Make sure all the edges are covered because this black is stronger than the black that comes on the canvas, so you want it to be totally covered on your edges and everywhere. I just kind of drop my canvas a few times. That kind of gets rid of any air bubbles that you have, and it helps it level it a little bit more. I'm just going to play today. I have a new little toy, and I don't know if it has any power to it or not. We're going to find out. One of my friends, Mary, used it to make some of her paintings, and I thought, well, I'm going to give this a try. So she actually gave me one, and I had actually purchased one right before she gave me one. So I've got two of them now, so we're going to see if this really works or not. I'm trying to shift the light off the canvas a little bit there. So I think I will do a little miniature flip cup kind of thing. And I've been on a roll with the peacock color, so we're going to give this a shot and see what happens. I'll do some purple. A little bit of white. Some blue. Turquoise. The really dark turquoise. Little green. Touch of white. A little bit of this violet color. And I'm going to take my skewer and swish through a couple of times. I may have moved it around too much, which can sometimes muddy things up, so we shall see. I had a few cells pop out, but not much. Now, here's the little toy. It is a miniature leaf blower. And I taped a straw to it because the opening was a little bit large, and so the air kind of goes out further, and I wanted to condense my air more to a thinner tube, so I taped a straw on. So here we go, let's see what happens. So it does work. I'm gonna tilt this just a little bit though. Spread it out just a little. So in a way it reminds me of a butterfly or a bird or something. I'm going to do more into this cup. That did not work as planned, but that's okay. I should have used my palette knife. That was what I was going to use, and I said, no, I'm going to blow it. But I might still be able to. So I know there's reflection, but I was just trying something out for fun. The blowing thing, I shouldn't have tried to go with the bird, but it is kind of an abstract version of a bird. So hey, I'll live with it. Get some of this reflection off of the canvas, maybe you can see a little better. Little tiny dot. Little white dot. Maybe I'll add a little bit more white. All right, I'm gonna stop. Kind of looks like a bird, kind of. So if you enjoyed seeing me play around, give me a thumbs up with the little mini blower. It does work, so you don't have to puff through a straw and get winded. So it did work. I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.